Today we're looking at the Ambiance LED picture and frame lights that Jerry's carries that are a brand new product. They come in 4 great finishes that will enhance any decor. There is a larger version that puts out 1,000 lumens, so it makes it very bright, easy to see. The smaller, which is this one, puts out 850 lumens. It's just under 16 inches. The large is just under 24 inches. So they will fit smaller paintings, or you can go on a grander scale with that larger light to be able to, fully present your artwork in a very fashionable and tasteful way in your home. The cords are 9.5 feet long and have a button that turns them on and off kind of low out of the way so it's not in view. And they are, once it's mounted on the wall, they're very easy to change out. So if you change, furniture, if you change frames on an artwork, the mounting is already up. It's easy to just switch a different color light on there. The bulbs will last up to 14 years, which is a great cost savings. They're nice and cool, so it's not going to heat up your artwork and it's not going to affect the artwork long term and cause any damage. So let's go over and look and see what they look like on the wall. This is the larger one. You can see it casts a really nice, almost warm light. It's not cool. It's not, that kind of horrible white or blue light like you get with some lights that you'll find that just aren't as nice a quality. Very easy to turn on and off. And you can see that it matches the frame very nicely. It's very tastefully done. So the Ambiance LED picture and frame lights, get them exclusively at Jerry's.